of sodium chloride is given. So which is the lesser one? That is the 0.05 mole. 1 mole of silver nitrate reacts with 1 mole of sodium chloride. That's why 0.05 mole of silver nitrate must react with 0.05 mole of sodium chloride only. That means sodium chloride is in excess, and 0.05 mole of silver nitrate will be used completely. It is completely used up in the reaction. That's why the silver nitrate is a limiting reagent. So that's why the further calculation will be taken up with the help of silver nitrate only. So here you can look over the calculation. So according to equation, 1 mole reacts with 1 mole, and 0.05 mole of silver nitrate will react with 0. So silver nitrate is completely used. So that's why silver nitrate is limiting reagent. And NaCl is remaining. NaCl is 0.1 mole because only 0.05 mole of sodium chloride will be used. According to equation, 1 mole reacts with 1 mole only. 1 mole reacts with 1 mole only. So 0.05 mole would react with 0.05, but here what is given? 0.1 mole or 1 mole. That's why sodium chloride is in excess. So that's why the sodium chloride is an excess reagent. So now what is the limiting reagent? Silver nitrate. What is limiting reagent? Silver nitrate. And according to the equation, 1 mole of silver nitrate forms 1 mole of silver chloride. 1 mole of silver nitrate forms 1 mole of silver chloride. And how much silver nitrate has been consumed in the reaction? 0.05. So for this you have to calculate how much it will form the silver chloride. 1 mole of silver nitrate produces 1 mole of silver chloride. So that's why 0.05 mole would produce. It will be multiplied together. Calculate it. How much you are getting? 7.2 gram of silver chloride will be produced. And this calculation is made with the help of limiting reagent. Keep it in mind whenever you have been asked to calculate such type of things, then you must calculate limiting reagent only. First write the balanced chemical equation, and then first of all find out what is the limiting reagent, and with the help of limiting reagent only you can calculate the amount of product produced. Don't use those reagents which are in excess, because it is not completely used up, so it will not give you the experimental value. It will not give you the correct value. Now the next question, that would be, I think last question would be for this chapter. Now next is reaction. Bromide ion reacts with chlorine and gives you the 2 chloride ion, and this equation is given, and we are to liquid. It is used for commercial product preparation of bromine. That means this is the equation used to prepare the bromine. In this case, what have been given, that we are using a 50 ml of 0.060 m solution of sodium bromide. That means a bromide ion is coming from sodium bromide. Bromide ion is coming from sodium. So that means here the bromide ion is written. That means it is not bromide ion, it is sodium bromide. So now you have what volume of 0.05 m solution of Cl2 is needed. That means for this amount is given, volume of this one is given, and we have to calculate the volume of this one. How much of Cl2 would react with this much of bromide ion. Volume of this, molarity of this one is given. For this you have to calculate. Molarity of Cl2 liquid is given, but we have to calculate the volume. So it is given what volume of 0.05 Cl2 is needed to react completely with the bromide ion. So this is the question. So here two different kind of, so the case is that here two different kind of solutions are there. Two different kind of solutions are there, and these two solutions are reactive with one another. One is the sodium bromide, another is the chlorine. Both reacts with one another. And the molarity and volumes of one of the reactant is given, others molarity is given, volume is not given. So we have to find out the volume of the other reactant in comparison to the first one. Very easy. So very last thing we have solved, in the theory classes for this one only. First we will write the balanced chemical equation. So you can see this is your balanced chemical equation. After balancing, we must write the data given in the question. So volume of the bromide ion is how much? It is 50 ml. Molarity of the bromide ion is this much. Because what would be the molarity of the solution? That would, same would be the molarity of the ions also. So since the molarity of the sodium bromide is this much, that's why the molarity of the bromide ion is same. Volume of the sodium bromide is 50 ml, that's why the volume of the bromide ion would be the same. So same thing is taken. Now for chlorine we have written, we have to find out the volume required, and the molarity is given for chlorine liquid, that is 0.050 m. Now you know the molarity relationship when the different kind of solutions are mixed with one another. When the different kind of reacting solution mixed with one another, then there will be reaction between the compound, and then the molarity relation would be M1V1 by 2 M2V2. Because why? Because the number of moles of the substance divided by their coefficient. So first is the M1V1 divided by the coefficient. What is coefficient here? 2. In this case, what is the coefficient here? 1. So in the first case, coefficient 2 is written, M1V1 by 2 equal to this, the second one, that is M2V2, M2V2, and the coefficient how much is? 1. So that is why 1 is written here. So number of moles must be divided by coefficient in this case. So because it is the mixing of two different kind of solution having reaction with one another. So now put the value of M1V1 and M2 as well as this coefficient is there. So now ultimately you calculate the volume. So ultimately you are getting volume 30 ml. So this is your final answer. That means 30 ml of chlorine. 30 ml of chlorine liquid would react with sodium, 50 ml of sodium bromide. 30 ml of this 30 ml, how much it is? Cl2 liquid. So 30 ml Cl2 liquid would react with 50 ml of sodium bromide to produce chloride. So this is to have a complete reaction, have a ultimate reaction. These are the calculation. Okay, in this way I am finishing the first chapter of class 11. Go through it, revise it. If you have confusion, you can contact me through the contact numbers. Okay, thank you.